కాటన్ క్యాండీ ఇది నా షుగర్ వేస్తే కాటన్ క్యాండీ రెడీ చేస్తాను.
My name is Jayant Kumar. I am studying 7th class. Today my topic is electric conduction. Conductors. Conductor is a material that allows electricity to pass through it. Example like copper, iron, material, aluminum. This is insulator and is a material that does not allow any electricity to pass through it. Example eraser, wood, plastic cover, rubber. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Esmander. I am studying 8th class. My topic is types of motion. This is periodic motion, motion that repeats itself after equal of time. Pendulum, example, move front and back. This is rotating motion. Motion that repeats. Rotating fan, example, fan blades. Rotating vibratory motion, very fast back and forth motion of body, like rubber. Example, this is circular motion, motion of an object, circular path. Example, this fan.
My name is Maitri. I'm topic is heart, human heart. It is pear shape and it is divided into 4 chambers. 2 upper parts are arteries and 2 lower parts are ventricles. The aorta is big in size because it has supply oxygenated blood to all the body parts except lungs. The pulmonary artery is big in size. Thank you.
Morning, sir. My name is Laukush. I'm from 10th class. Today my topic is about structure of eye and structure of kidney and structure of ear. In structure of, it is the eye. Without the lens we can't see anything. If the lens get damaged, we have to wear specs to see. In the eye, two types of problems will happen if lens damage: hypermetropia and myopia. For hypermetropia we have to use concave lens, and myopia I have to use convex lens. In the inner side of eye, it have cornea to protect the eyeball, and the inner part, in the middle part, it have rods which indicates and shows the colors of other things. It is a human kidney which filtrates the waste materials from our blood. The blood travels from the renal vein, and the filtrate blood goes out from the kidney by renal artery. The blood is filtrated in a glomerular filtration in a high pressure, and it's secreted by loop of Henle. The loop of Henle transfer the blood into glomerular filtration, and goes into the urinary bladder. The bladder excretes the waste water like a urine. It is the structure of ear. The outer part of ear is called as pinna, and the inner canal is known as excretory auditorium. After excretory auditorium, the sound is absorbed by the drums in our ear. After the drums send the vibrations to the andonium fluid, which absorbs the vibratory motions in it, and it shakes and absorbs the vibratory motions. And the andonium fluid sends the sound straight to the brain, and the brain receives the signals and does action for the sound.
My name is Syed Khajali. I am studying in 10th class. I am telling human body. This is brain. This is lungs, heart, small stomach, liver, lungs. Thank you.
My name is Mahendra. I am studying in 10th class. My topic about atoms: carbon, phosphorus, nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur. This model was explained by Niels Bohr. Niels Bohr atom is spherical in shape. Atom is removed around the nucleus is fixed path. Is called stationary orbital. Stationary orbitals are represented by KLMNR 1, 2, 3, 4. When an e power jump from lower energy to higher energy is called gains energy. When an e-power jumps from higher energy to lower energy, it absorbs the energy. Thank you.
Topic is about reflection of light. This is incident ray. When the light passes through two mirrors, it throw a reflection ray. When the distance between incident ray to normal angle of incident, normal the distance between normal to reflection ray angle of reflection, normal the perpendicular to mirror 90 degrees, it's throw backwards. Thank you.
Yes, Pranay, I am studying 8th grade. Today telling reflection of glass. This is preservation glass. This is triangle. There, there is light or there came reflection. This is this is semicircular glass. Their reflection came means their reflection है two types of reflection. This is triangle glass. The reflection of two types of two types of reflection.
The land, so many there's different types of this is the arcadic ecosystem. Arcadic biodiversity lives polar bears are there, snow falls in there. This is the agriculture biodiversity. Agriculture biodiversity lives in the sheep, goats, leaves, and lands. This is the desert biodiversity. Desert biodiversity are lives there. Animals, so many animals are there. This is the raw forest. Raw forest there likes tiger, Bengal tiger, lions. This is the aquatic biodiversity. Aquatic biodiversity lies in the oceans, like for dolphins, jellyfish is there. Thank you.
And my name is Shashir. I am from 9th class. Today my topic is types of circle. This total circle is 360 degrees. Degrees half of the circle is 180 degrees. This line is called diameter. Half of the diameter is called radius. This is chord. The line segment lie on the points is called chord. This is called, this shaded part is called major sector. Non-shaded part is called minor sector. Thank you. My topic about types of quadrilaters. A quadrilaters, a closed figure formed by four line segment, is called quadrilaters. There are some types: trapezium, parallelogram, rhombus, kite, rectangle, square. Thank you. Trapezium. This is called rectangle. This is called rhombus. Thank you.
My name is C. Pavani. I am studying in 7th class. Welcome to Science Square. This is called DNA model. I am hereditary. Parents to children, children to the children's transport. That is called DNA. DNA is different types of DNA. That is called DNA.
Thanks, sir. Welcome to our science fair. My name is Nitya. I'm from 7th class. Today I am explaining about different layers of atmosphere. There are 5 layers of atmosphere. First layer is troposphere, second stratosphere, third mesosphere, fourth thermosphere, fifth exosphere. In troposphere we can find clouds and air balloons. Second layer we can find aeroplanes. In this layer aeroplanes can fly. Third layer we can find meteorites. Meteorites can fall in this area. Fourth layer we can find auroras. This is the largest and the deepest layer in the atmosphere. In this layer we can find satellites, stars, spaceships, rockets. Thanks.
Good morning, sir. My name is Harika. I'm from 7th class. Today I am explaining about water cycle. In the water bodies and groundwater evaporate to the sky is called evaporation. This evaporation water transferred to the clouds is called condensation. Condensation water fall down to the land is called precipitation. These all processes are called water cycle. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Siri.
My name is Meenakshi.
We are 8th standard.
Our topic is digestive system. Digestive systems helps our body ability to break down food and absorb nutrients. Mouth parotid gland. The food and the saliva helps to soften it. The food goes to esophagus. It is a pipe, it is a food pipe that carries food from the mouth to the stomach. The stomach mixes the food with digestive juices and break it into semi-liquid form. The liver products bile, which helps in digestion of fats.
Gallbladder. It stores the bile juice from the liver, small intestine. It is digestion is completed here, and nutrients are absorbed into the blood. Large intestine. It absorbs the water and remaining food. Anus. It is undigested waste and removed from the body through the anus process. Now we will show the process. Enter into the mouth and go into the wastage. Thank you.
Sir, my name is Lasvia. I am studying 8th class. Today my topic is photosynthesis and cellular respiration. The plant in day during time, the plant takes sunlight energy and carbon dioxide and release oxygen and glucose, and night during time plants take oxygen and glucose and release carbon dioxide. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is B. Vaishnavi. I am studying in 8th class. Today my topic is solar. Today my topic is solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. Solar eclipse is between sun and earth. Lunar eclipse is between sun and moon. Thank you.
Anisha, I am studying 6th class. My topic is windmill. A windmill is a machine that uses to power of wind within the window to work when the work into the wind create electricity and generate thousands of houses and examples farming, the farming network and etc. Thank you.
Hello, sir. My name is Michael. I'm studying 7th standard. Today, my experiment is a compass. A compass is used to find the direction. It has magnetic needle. It always to point the north. It is helps in navigation to find the direction. Example: boats, traveling ships, aeroplane, etc. Thank you.
My name is Akash. I am studying in 8th class. This is acid and base. This is lemon. This is baking soda. This is shampoo. These two litmus paper. This red litmus paper. This is acid, basic. To acid to put. Do not color change. Base to put. Blue. Color change to blue. This blue litmus paper. To base to put. Do not color change. Acid to put to color change to red. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Richard. I am studying in 7th class.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. I am studying in 6th class.
Today my topic is parts of leaf. Parts of leaf means this is leaves of leaves. This is middle called midst. This is corner is called petals. This edge is called stipples. This corner is called dips. This leaves two roots is called winds. This this leaf of this blade. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Modulikita. I am studying 6th class. Good morning, sir. My name is Bindu. I am studying in 6th class. Today topic is tongue tasty birds. Tasty birds are tiny sensors organ on our tongue. They help us taste different flavors like bitter. Bitter is the chocolate, cucumber, coffee, ginger. Soil is the cherry, orange. Salt is the pistachio, French fries. Sweet is the ice cream, cake, lollipop, chocolate. Thank you. Good morning, sir. My name is B. Chaitanya. I'm studying in 6th class. Good morning, sir. My name is Vijoshnas. I'm studying in 6th class. Our topic name is life cycle of butterfly. Butterfly has very interesting Butterfly has very interesting life cycle. It goes four stages: egg, caterpillar, pupa, and adult butterfly. First, adult butterfly lays an egg. The egg hatches into a caterpillar which eat and grow. It is from a pupa. Pupa is also called a crisis, where it is changes inside. It forms a butterfly. Thank you. My name is B. Gudia. I am studying in 6th class. Today my topic is states of matter. States of matter. Everything around us is made of matter. Matter exists in different forms. These three main states are solid, ice, apple, tree, pencil. Liquid is a milk, tree. Liquid is a milk, tea, water, rain. Gas, air balloon, water vapors, heat. These are heat things. Thank you.
అలాగే మన స్కూల్లో డాన్స్ క్లాసులు కావచ్చు, అలాగే కరాటే క్లాసులు కూడా జరిపించడం జరిగింది. ఇందులో భాగంగా మన వాళ్ళు చాలా మంది కరాటీలో నేషనల్ లెవెల్, స్టేట్ లెవెల్, నేషనల్ లెవెల్, ఇంటర్నేషనల్ లెవెల్లో పార్టిసిపేట్ చేసి మన వాళ్ళు చాలా మంది టాప్ లెవెల్లో వచ్చేసి గోల్డ్ మెడల్స్ కూడా తీసుకొచ్చుకున్నారు. అందులో భాగంగా కప్పు కూడా గెలుచుకోవడం జరిగింది. ఇప్పటి వరకు దాదాపు 10 times వరకు కప్స్, గోల్డ్ మెడల్స్, సిల్వర్ మెడల్స్, అలాగే మనకు బ్రాస్ మెడల్స్ కూడా సాధించుకోవడం జరిగింది. దాదాపు గోల్డ్ మెడల్స్ మన స్కూల్ కి ఇప్పటి వరకు 20 గోల్డ్ మెడల్స్ సాధించడం అనేది గర్వంగా చెప్పుకోదగ్గది. అలాగే సిల్వర్ మెడల్స్ దాదాపు 40-50 స్టూడెంట్స్ సిల్వర్ మెడల్స్ కూడా సాధించుకోవడం జరిగింది. బ్రాస్ మెడల్స్ ఇంకా ఎక్కువ చేయడం జరిగింది. ఇంకా ఇంటర్నేషనల్ లెవెల్లో ఇంకా మా స్టూడెంట్స్ అందరినీ కూడా మెడల్స్ సాధించేటట్లుగా చేస్తాము. దాంట్లో పూర్తి స్థాయిలో ప్రోత్సహిస్తూ ఉంటాం మా స్టూడెంట్స్ ని.